the distance against 4 losses. Joining us from Augusta, Georgia, ladies and gentlemen, here is Justin, the Chosen One Deloach. And across the ring, his opponent fighting on the blue corner. He comes in wearing the navy and the gold, weighing officially at 147 3/4 pounds. His professional record of perfect 10 wins, 7 of those coming by way of knockouts. Fighting out of Kaunas, Lithuania. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Eimantas Stanionis.
So you can't see it. All right, gentlemen, gave you instruction. Look at his belly button's right there, so anything right here down is normal. Same thing, anything down here is normal, okay? You guys want to touch gloves, do it now. God bless.
Referee in charge, Ray Corona, in his 20th year as a referee, 565 fights. Eimantas Stanionis and Justin Deloach, 2 former pupils of Ronnie Shields, mixing it up here as Deloach now trained under Sylvester Clark. We saw him against Ivan Navarro on August 22 here on FS1. A first-round knockout. Stanionis looking to...
Alright, simula tayo ng first round. So, Rick's advantage na kay Deloach. Tangkad siya ng konti at mahaba ang reach. Pareho silang knockout artists. So, ang pinaglalabanan nila ay 147 welterweight. We are now on the first round of 10. Okay, jab. Wala kay Deloach and doon na sa attack move si Deloach, Stanionis rather. Doon na sa defensive naman siya. Tandaan natin na si Stanionis ay 70% knockout artist and he's also an Olympian. Okay, ang ganda ng left hook na binato ni Stanionis. Alright, papakramdaman pa ang dalawa. Okay, sar namang left hook din ang binato ni Deloach na naka jersey blue. Okay, 1-2 combination. Wala kay Deloach. Pangiti si Stanionis. Yes. One pass to the body. Binitawan ni Stanionis. Isang left hook naman. Pinalit ni Deloach. Right. Kita natin sa stats, medyo mataas ang punches landed ni Deloach. Ito siguro dahil sa kanyang kumpiyansa na mahaba ang kanyang reach. Okay. Okay, isang body punch. Ang binato ni Stanionis, isang right hook. Yes, 1-2 combination. Okay. Yan. 1-2 again. Ang binato ni... Okay. Tapos ang ating first round. Ayan. Ayun. Yun ang left hook na binato kanina ni...
Justin Deloach looking to make a statement. Sean, what does he have to do in order to get the win over the Indian prospect?
Box, maybe use that jab. You got a guy who likes to stalk you, keep him at bay. Stay composed. You're going to get touched. Keep your composure and continue to step around. It makes Stanionis use his feet.
First Stanionis.
Stanionis is doing it right now, putting the pressure on. Gotta have mean intentions, work behind those hard shots, and mix up the attack up and down.
Okay, so proceed tayo sa round number 2. Once again, ito ay pinaglalabanan, 147 pounds. Okay. Between Stanionis, naka-red, black jersey rather, no? And Delutz, naka-blue jersey. Okay. Isang left hook na hindi tumama, ang binato ni Stanionis. Napaka-steep ng job ni Stanionis, no? Kikita mo talaga yung pinaka pagiging Olympian niya. 2006 siya ay naging Olympian. Ngunit natalo siya sa gold medal part. Right? Okay? So isang right jab ang binato. Okay, isang left hook. Okay. Fred Rhodes ang umahawak ngayon kay Stanionis, no? Dahil si dati niyang handler na si Sumodio, no? Ay isang Pilipino, no? Ay na-test positive ng coronavirus. Kaya anyway, isang gym lang naman sila ni Fred Rhodes, kaya pinagbigyan niya si Marvin Sumodio na siya mag-handle sa laban ni Stanionis. Ayun, isang left hook na naman to the body. Nakawalan ni Stanionis. Alright. Okay. Isang right hook. Okay, isang left hook naman. Binato ni Delutz. Yan. Isang left hook. Tumama. O right hook rather. Ni Stanionis. Sa panga ni Delutz. Okay. Right hook pero tumama lang sa glove ni Stanionis. Ang binato ni Delutz. Alright, step jab. Kita mo talaga yung marka ni Fred Rhodes, no? Ang ganda ng kanyang mga footwork. Right? Okay. So, nagtatapos ang ating second round.
Back to round 3, Justin Deloach outlanding Emilio Stanionis 34-19 and outthrowing him 130-72.
Okay, round 3 tayo. So, by statistic, landed, no? Mas lamang si Delutz, yung ating naka-blue jersey fighter. Okay. Right, 1-2 point combination. Binato ni Delutz. Stiff jab mula kay Stanionis. Left hook naman para kay Delutz. Okay, uppercut binigay ni Delutz. Sa gloves na tumama yun. Up. Gigit-gita ng dalawang fighter. So, kailangan pag-iwalay ni ref. Alright, pinag-iwalay na. So, ayan. Stiff jab naman mula kay Delutz. Okay, stiff jab din para kay Stanionis. So, makita nyo yung total punches every round, no? So, nasa percentage ay nasa 26 Stanionis. Yes, isang left hook ang tumama. 1-2 combination mula kay Deluxe. Oh, napayakap, pero napayakap siya. Dahil sa left hook na tumama sa kanyang panga. Alright. So, binirinigan ni referee si Deluxe dahil sa pagyakap. Ayan. Left jab. Okay, that hook. Binato ni Deluxe. Sa defensive lang si Staniones. Left jab. Okay, body punch. Pero tumama sa braso lang. Binato ni Staniones. Ayan, pumasok ang left jab sa mukha. Ayan. Okay, body punch. Left body punch. Uppercut, tumama naman ni kay Deluxe mula kay Staniones. Right. Okay, diyan tayo sa slow motion, body punch mula kay Staniones. Stiff jab. Masok din. Okay.
I can't tell which look we got.
Okay, round number 3.
The fourth round,
Fourth round, rather. Fourth round. Okay, stiff jab. Bintao. Left, stiff jab. Right hook naman para kay Deluxe. Okay, 1-2 combination. Pinigay ni Deluxe. Matras lang itong si Deluxe. Wala sa job ni Staniones. Alright. Okay. Kung wala pa silang medyo naipapakita, no? Sa round 4 na to. Okay. Uppercut mula kay Deluxe. Binantihan naman ng combination. Right hook. Body punch mula kay Staniones. Alright. Nagkayakapan ang dalawang fighter natin. Dapat pag-iwala ni referee to. Ayan. Nag-iwalay na sila. Okay. Pansin natin, medyo tumipid ngayon si Deluxe na kanyang pagbato ng mga sundok, no? Siguro dahil nakatihim na sa kanilang isang left hook sa panga. Kaninang mga first and second round, bilang siya yung umaatake, agresibo. Ngayon siya naman yung umaatras. Okay. Okay, body punch. Yan. Binigay ni Staniones. Ayun, napayakap si Deluxe. Okay, pinaghiwalay sila ni referee. Right. So defensive lang at patras lang si Deluxe ngayon. Samantalang itong si Staniones ay siya yung umaatake. Agresibo. Okay. Siguro natitimbang niya na mas malakas ang kasuntok niya kumpara kay Deluxe. Alright. Okay. Bawal yan. Okay. Alright. So, last 10 seconds tayo. Left hook. Okay, that's end for round number 4. Ayan, oh. Yun, dalawang combination na yun. Ayun pa.
Yeah, and he's doing the right thing.
Round number 5.
Taking his time.
Pakawala ka na isang left hook, si Staniones. Okay. Parang dumalang yung suntok ni Deludes talaga ngayon, no? Pero sa statistic, mas lamang rin siya sa landed. So, ayan, makikita natin yung corner ni Staniones na si Freddie Roach. Okay, isang right hook. Okay, stiff job. Alright. Hindi sila nagkakahulihan, ya. Okay. Tumama yung left hook na yun ni Staniones. Okay, left hook naman. Binigay ni... Ayan, isang body punch sa tumama sa katawan ni Staniones, ni Deludes. Right. Combination, left. Body punch, nako, ininda yata ni Deludes yun. Sa kanyang tagiliran. Nakita natin, bumaba yung kanyang braso. Right. Combination. Okay, left hook para kay Deludes. Combination, uppercut. Sugod lang itong nasugod si Staniones. Talagang, alam talaga niya na kaya-kaya niya yung mga suntok ni Deludes. Okay. One punch to the head. Body punch. Combination ni Deludes ay hindi tumatama. Okay, total punches landed. Mas lamang talaga pa rin si Deludes. 74 against 53. Ayan. Siguro tinitipid lang ni Staniones yung kanyang masuntok dahil atake siya mamay pag talagang nangihina na daw si Deludes. Okay, that ends our round number 5.
Freddie Roach in the corner with Monte Staniones.
One right hand high shoulder, I promise you. It's good work, come on.
Staniones has been consistent with his body attack, landing at least 2 body shots every round and 8 in the third, but Freddie calling upon the right hand, Sean.
Okay, round number 6 tayo. 6 of 10. Okay, so hanggang 10 rounds lang ang welterweight fight na to between Staniones and Deludes. Okay, panto combination mula kay Deludes. Isang right hand. Pinakawala ni Staniones. Okay, combination and uppercut. Napakaramdaman.
I mean, I love what Staniones. I think there's that counter right hand right over the top of that jab that Roach had through.
In and out, in and out. Okay, isang uppercut. Naku. Body punch. Left rib, ayun. Body punch ulit. Para kay Staniones. Okay, isang left. Left hook. Anak ko, hinihingal na yata si Deluxe. Ayan. Isang left, right hook naman, pinakawalan. Ni Staniones, tumama sa panga ni Deluxe. Alright. Uppercut, pero hindi tumama. Tama lang yung sa gloves. Ayan. Pumasok naman yung kanyang stiff jab. Hindi. Okay. Okay, that ends our round number 6.
But it is the fundamentals of a Montestaciones that are proving beneficial for the Olympian.
Hooks to the body, and it's going to come back.
Ayan, tira nilang slow motion. Ayan, tumama na left hook. Jab. Yes. Papatras talaga si Deluxe. Ayan. Yan ang right hand. Binigay ni Staniones. So, round number 7 tayo.
One item that stands out for Staniones is he is exhibiting quite a bit of maturity in his first main event. You know what it's like having your first televised main event, the energy and the nerves, but that doesn't seem to be.
Okay, left hook and right hand para kay Deluxe. Body punch naman ang sa giliran, pinakawala ni Staniones. Yan yung trainer ni Deluxe, si Sylvester Clark. Okay, left hook, pinakawalan ni Deluxe. Lamang na lamang sa landed si Deluxe, yung ating fighter na naka-blue. Yan. Okay. Siya yung napapayakap pag tinamaan ng suntok ni Staniones. Alright. Okay. Body punch. Okay. Huwag kang yumakap. Napapayakap si Deluxe. Stiff jab para kay Staniones. Okay, combination. Left and right hand. Right, isang right hand naman, isang left, uppercut. Pinito ni Deluxe. Alright. Yun ang tumama. Yun na, tumama yung left hook. Ayan, uppercut. Tumama yung uppercut. Napayak pa yan si Deluxe. Alright. 5 seconds na lang natitira natin, sayang. Hindi pa na-knock ni Staniones. Pero tingnan natin sa replay mamaya. Ganda ng baga left hook na yun. Tumama sa panga ni Delutz. Ayan. Right hand pala. Tumama sa panga. Then, binigyan ng isang left. Ayun. Right and left. Uppercut sana. Okay. Ayun oh, yung uppercut na tumama. Left uppercut and then okay. Napayakap na siya na. Kung hindi napayakap yun, malamang na tinamaan yun. So malakas na right hand. Right. So tingnan natin kung makakasurvive si Delutz sa round number 8. Tingnan natin yung kayang tapusin ni Staniones. Si Delutz ngayon, ayan. Agresibo na siya. Okay. Left hook. Body punch. Ayan, tumama na naman ang right hand ni Staniones. Ayan, napayakap itong si ano, ayan, left body punch. Okay. Timing, kailangan ni Staniones dito. Kung gusto niyang tapusin. Timing. Yan, ayun, tingnan mo. Talagang pag tinamaan sa katawan napapadikit yung kanyang braso dahil siyempre yung kanyang natural reaction. Ayan, isang left naman, hook. Alright, stiff jab, left stiff jab. Alright, gumanti naman si Delutz ang right stiff jab. Okay, ikot lang ng ikot. Left stiff jab naman para kay Delutz. Ayan, combination, one punch and body uppercut. Tingnan. Meron pa tayong 1 minute and 30 seconds. Alright. Sige. Kung napagod si Staniones, ayan ang bumira. Sige. Okay. Step jab sa katawan. Right. In the middle. Ayan. 55 seconds remaining. Ayun. Isa namang right hand. Pinakulan ni Staniones. Okay, napapayakap si Delutz. Combination. Ayan, uppercut. May tutulak. Delutz. Staniones. 10 seconds remaining para sa round number 8. Okay, that ends the round number 8. Nakasurvive si Delutz. Tingnan natin ang replay. Ayan o, yung right hand kanina tumama. Ayan. Then, isa pa. Ayun. Ayan o. Yung right hand combination na patras. Okay, body punch na biglang yumakap na lang si Delutz. Okay, ayun, sa pang-uppercut pumasok din. Alright. So exciting yung laban na dito sa late fight. Round number 9 na tayo. Okay. Ayan, si Freddie Rhodes, yung substitute corner man ni Staniones. Dahil si Marvin Sumodio, yung kanyang handler talaga, ay nagkaroon ng coronavirus, naging positive. Right, round number 9 tayo. Okay. Yan, kailangan talang gamitin to ni Deluxe yung kanyang reach advantage. Hindi siya bumabato na eh. Kaya nakakadikit si Staniones sa kanya. Okay, isang body punch. Op, bawal yan. Kailangan paghiwalayin. Okay, bawal tutukuran ng fighter. Alright. Combination, pero hindi tumama. Hangin lang. Op, sabay tulak. Ayan. Okay, step jab sa katawan. Okay, isang right hand naman ang binato ni Deluxe. Combination, pero hindi tumama yung isa. Alright, body shots, 32 against 3. From first round to second to 9th rounds. Hindi tumama yun. Okay, body punch. Ayan. Tumama sa liver. Kaliwa ang tumama. Body punch sa liver. Ayan, knockout. First round, knockout. First knockout of Deluxe. Tingnan natin kung lalaban pa. Tingnan natin. Ayan na. Bagyo. Yan na yung Bagyo. Para kay Deluxe. Uppercut. Body punch. Okay, uppercut. Again. Ayan, right hand. Uppercut again. Ayun, left hand. Uppercut. Okay, knockout again. So, number 2 knockout for round number 9. Parang aayaw na. The way yung gesture niya, parang gusto niya na. Ayan, tumingin siya sa kanyang corner. Naglalaban pa ba? Alright. Binigyan siya ng referee kung lalaban pa. Ayan, lalaban pa. Tingnan natin. 30 seconds remaining for round number 9. Alright. Uppercut. Yan. Okay. Referee already has stopped the fight. So, panalo si Staniones. Round number 9, knockout. Si Deluxe. Tama lang yun. Na-stop na ni referee yung laban dahil hindi na kaya mag-response ni Deluxe sa laban. Okay. Tingnan natin ang slow motion. Ayan o. Then body punch, pak! In the liver. Tumama sa right liver part. Ribs ni Deluxe. Ayun, sa pang head. Punch ang tumama sa kanya. Sakto din.
Victorious, a Montez Staniones who elevates his record to 11-0. And Sean, he looked mightily impressive.
He did a great job. You know, we expected the aggression out of him. A great left hook that he's thrown throughout the fight. Even more impressive for me was the jabs that he was landing on Deloach. And those moments where he was landing and hurting Deloach, he recognized those moments. A lot of young fighters don't recognize those moments, believe it or not, Ray. And those moments, he capitalized, jumped on Deloach. Barrages of punches, not just to the head, but also to the body. We always like to see that from a guy who doesn't have much experience. And then there's that big overhand right that Freddie was calling for. Body shot put him down right there after a big left hook that hurt him. And then he comes back in right here. Barrage of punches. Ray, I asked you, was it going to be the left hook or the overhand right? Why did you tell me?
You know what? Look, I thought it was a multitude of things, Sean. And it was, what I liked about Staniones is he did it in a calculated way. Look, what stands out
mean, the tables turned a little bit at the back end, but the thing we didn't see was the percentage, and that's why Stanionis was winning this fight.
Ladies and gentlemen, the end comes at 2 minutes 53 seconds of round 9. Referee
Got the
George
result now.
Ray Corona
Alright.
closes off the contest for your
So kung nagustuhan ninyo ang aking video na pinakita ngayon, no? Huwag kalimutan magbigay ng subscribe kay host at i-hit na rin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated para sa ating mga next bout at lahat ng mga sports event natin na pili natin i-cover. Right? So thank you very much and God bless. Bye-bye. Alright.